The Porsche Boxster stands as one of the most beautifully balanced sports cars ever engineered, and in this full, in-depth review, we break down every detail that makes this open-top roadster such a timeless icon, starting with its exterior design, where Porsche blends classic proportions with modern aerodynamic precision, giving the Boxster a low, wide stance, prominent front air intakes, signature 4-point LED headlights, and a sculpted rear end with an elegant light bar that emphasizes width and stability. The fully automatic fabric soft top opens in around 9 to 10 seconds even while driving at moderate speeds, transforming the driving experience in an instant. The side air intakes behind the doors not only enhance its mid-engine layout visually, but feed cool air directly to the power plant mounted just inches behind the driver, preserving both aesthetics and performance. The Boxster sits on lightweight alloy wheels ranging from 18 to 20 inches depending on the trim level, and Porsche's signature color palette gives buyers everything from subtle metallics to bold, racing-inspired finishes. Moving to the interior, the cabin blends luxury with motorsport DNA, offering a low driver position, supportive sports seats, premium leather and soft-touch surfaces, and Porsche's meticulously designed switchgear that delivers a mechanical, satisfying feel, while the dashboard centers around a clear analog tachometer flanked by digital displays that provide telemetry, navigation, performance data, and customizable menus. The steering wheel, compact and lightweight, features mounted controls for audio, drive modes, and navigation, while the center console houses Porsche's intuitive touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto in newer models, Bluetooth connectivity, and real-time vehicle data. The Boxster's practicality often surprises new owners, offering not one but two cargo compartments, thanks to the mid-engine layout with a deep front trunk and a rear luggage area, providing enough space for weekend trips or daily commuting. Under the hood, well, behind the seats, the Boxster is powered by a range of engines depending on the model year and trim level, typically starting with a turbocharged 2.0-liter flat-4 producing around 300 horsepower in the Boxster base model, offering quick acceleration and excellent efficiency, while the Boxster S features a larger 2.5-liter turbo flat-4 generating around 350 horsepower with stronger mid-range performance thanks to variable turbine geometry. And for enthusiasts who crave the classic Porsche soundtrack, the Boxster GTS and the ultimate Boxster Spider bring naturally aspirated flat-6 engines back into the lineup, delivering over 394 horsepower in some versions and range ranges extending beyond 7,000 RPM, providing a pure, thrilling, motorsport-inspired sound and feel. The Boxster's mid-engine architecture gives it nearly perfect weight distribution, enabling razor-sharp handling, precise turn-in, and incredible balance through corners, making it feel planted and confidence-inspiring even at high speeds, while Porsche's active suspension management, torque vectoring system, optional adaptive dampers, and sport exhaust all work together to create a driving experience that can be comfortable during daily use, yet dynamically explosive when pushed hard. The Boxster offers both a slick 6-speed manual transmission for purists seeking engagement and Porsche's lightning-fast PDK dual-clutch automatic, which provides instantaneous gear changes and launch control for peak performance. The sound experience is integral to the Boxster's charm. Whether it's the turbo whistle of the 4-cylinder models or the emotional, high-revving scream of the flat-6 GTS and Spider, Porsche tunes the exhaust system to amplify the driver's connection with the car, delivering a soundtrack that turns every drive into an event. On the road, the Boxster feels alive, with steering that communicates every nuance of the pavement, suspension that responds instantly to driver input, and brakes that offer immense stopping power thanks to Porsche's precision engineering and optional carbon ceramic systems. In city driving, the Boxster is surprisingly compliant, with good visibility for a convertible sports car, smooth low-speed behavior, and technology such as parking sensors, rear-view cameras, lane assist, and adaptive cruise control to make daily use easier. On the highway, it cruises comfortably with minimal wind noise when the top is up, and with the roof down, it channels airflow smoothly so the cabin remains calm at speed, showcasing Porsche's attention to aerodynamics. In spirited canyon or track driving, the Boxster truly shines, offering a driving experience that rivals much more expensive supercars, with balance, traction, and grip that make it feel glued to the road. Fuel economy varies depending on the engine, but turbocharged models offer respectable efficiency while still delivering sports car performance, and Porsche's engineering ensures long-term reliability when properly maintained. Safety features include stability control, multiple airbags, chassis rigidity designed to protect occupants during rollover situations despite being a convertible, and advanced driver assistance technologies available in newer models. Customization is another major part of the Boxster ownership experience, as Porsche offers extensive personalization options, including custom interior stitching, high-grade leather packages, carbon fiber trim, sport chrono packages, performance brakes, custom wheels, aerodynamic kits, and a wide array of colors inside and out, allowing buyers to build a Boxster that reflects their personality. Beyond the specs, the emotional experience of driving a Boxster is what makes it one of the most celebrated roadsters in the world. It's lightweight, responsive, beautifully engineered, and offers the kind of driving purity that many modern sports cars have lost, offering open-air freedom combined with track-ready performance, making every drive feel special. The sound of the engine just behind you, the immediate throttle response, the way the chassis rotates effortlessly through corners, and the confidence the brakes inspire all contribute to a sense of unity between driver and machine. Ownership costs vary, with maintenance being more expensive than mainstream vehicles, but generally lower than exotic brands, and Porsche's build quality ensures long-term durability, while resale value remains strong thanks to high demand and timeless appeal. In conclusion, the Porsche Boxster is far more than just an entry-level Porsche. It is a finely crafted, precision-built sports car that delivers performance, luxury, design excellence, and driving emotion in equal measure, earning its reputation as one of the best driver-focused roadsters ever created. Whether you choose the turbocharged four-cylinder models for efficiency and daily usability, or the high-revving flat-six variants for pure enthusiast excitement, making the Boxster a standout choice for anyone who wants a convertible sports car that offers world-class engineering, an unforgettable driving experience, and the unmistakable prestige of the Porsche crest.